M0FXB, welcome to my channel. So here we are, PicoAPRS, and we're going to show it in voice mode and scanning memory channels that I've created. So let's quickly do that. We'll go to the start menu. So go menu, then go to settings. Then select device mode at the top, push the middle toggle, go all the way down until you get FM voice. And there we are, we're now at an FM voice transceiver, 1 watt. So what we'll do is go set, and we'll have a quick look at my memory. We'll do memory scan, and then I'll show you how we did it. So down to memory scan, and then select the middle button. You can see straight away, there's activity. Turn it down. And it will scan through. If I take the antenna off, then, oh, it's scanning now. Just to stop it. So you can, I just take the antenna off. I just use my collinear in the off, and you can see it's now scanning. I'll leave it off for a minute. So how do we do this? Well, the first thing you ought to do is go set, come out of scan. So select memory scan, and that will stop. You want to go set memory list. See if we can stop this blurring out. Go to a blank one, because there are, let's have a look how many there are actually. 21 is VFO mode. I haven't tried VFO mode actually, so we'll try that in a minute. So maybe when you do that, you can change just up and down. We'll try it. Anyway, first thing, we're going to go to number 6. And we're going to select the middle toggle. And instead of use, we're going to go edit. Now this device is tiny, but it works great, even as a transceiver, a voice transceiver. Edit, so we can name it. So we'll do, I think we haven't done S19, so we'll go up. We'll call it S19. And up to the numbers. 1. No, it's a 2 meter transceiver. It's not 77s. Really, because it's an APRS device. So we've got the name TX. So we're going to go. Now the way you do it, you delete. So delete, and then select the digits. So it's going to be 4. It's going to be 5, then 475. And if you go to the end with the noughts, it will take you straight to the OK. So go the naught, look, it takes you straight there. And you do need to set RX and TX. And you can have tones. If you were going to do a repeater, you can do that. Let's just go back. So we're going to set the same frequency. That's it. RX, TX. Now, if it was a repeater, you just put in your TX tone, go up or down or off. And, oh yeah, we are going to select scan list. And you're all set. You're all ready to go. So let's exit. That's added it to your scan list. Then you just go set, push the right-hand toggle. Go to memory, or let's have a quick look at our memory list. And then we can close. And this time we'll go set again, right-hand toggle, memory scan. And as soon as I connect an antenna, which is, like I said, my collinear, the best place would be to stand on a hill. You stand on a hill somewhere, you're going to get lots of. So as soon as and I've done some audio checks, and they say that my audio is excellent, a bit bassy but excellent. It's only a small speaker. Now let's quickly take this off. That's my fault for messing around with the connection. But anyway, I'll take that off, and what we're going to do, come out of scan mode by going set scan, and it stops. Then we're going to, this time we're going to select that bottom frequency and see what VFO does. So we'll go set memory list, and this was, I didn't add VFO number, was it 21? It was there already. So that's been added by Tanner. And then we're going to go use and see what it does. See if it says VFO mode. I'm just wondering now.
Well, it depends what you got it hooked up to in the end.
Antenna back. I'm seeing if I can change the frequency.
Slowly but surely.
No. Exit.
Trying to get all the bits and pieces back.
So maybe in VFO mode you can just select a different frequency. I'd like to do scan actually. If there is a VFO mode. Should we try scan? So we can either type in a frequency.
Not that I'm not particularly interested in DMR really, but just the technology and trying to get my head round, understand how it works, and just make something.
DMR's hard work.
I'll probably get it all going eventually and then never use it again. But you know what it's like, you see these things and you think, oh yeah, I'll just do that. So I'm kind of at that stage at the moment, Kelvin, G6.
Right, okay, so VFO, we're able to just type the frequency and change. Now let's see what scan does. So we'll go menu. Sorry, wrong button. The little man takes you out of that menu. So we'll go set. And then it says memory scan. So if we do memory scan, will it just start scanning? No, it goes straight into memories. So I'll look it up in the menu. Back to VFO. So maybe all it is just you can just quickly type in a frequency. Did we come out of scan? No, we didn't. VFO. So we'll go menu, memory list, and we'll go down to 21 again. There you are, back to VFO.
Yeah, well the one I've got is based on a Raspberry Pi. It's one of these little small ones, a Raspberry Pi 0W. It's got built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and all that. And I put a hat on it and everything, which clicked onto the top. And I managed to program it with Pi-Star, but just can't make it connect to the internet. It just won't.
There's our VFO. Oh, it rebooted. So what does maybe that does something, or it could just be a low battery. So we'll go menu. Just do the brightness. A bit bright. So I'm not really sure why it rebooted. Could be me. No, we're still in memory mode there because let GB3BC. So let's do that again. Set. And we'll go memory list. Just playing around really, getting to know this item. We've got lots more tests to do regarding APRS. I just thought I'd play with this. So use. Right, we're now in VFO mode. If I go up, it's volume. I press. Oh, it sends a DTMF. We know about that. No. I'm just seeing if I can make it scan. Usual TX. Hold it down. No, again, that's that. Hold that down. No, so it looks like you're in VFO mode, but you have to type the frequency. So, for example, 2.5. It's not on memory, Let's have a look. Yeah, still in VFO, but we're on 145. There you are. So thanks for watching my channel. You can see the volume and the squelch is there. Look, squelch at the bottom. Volume, you get it straight away. CTSS tone is off. But thanks for watching my channel. Bye for now. 7.3, all the best.